Hello, and thank you for joining me again on another round of charts and markets. Today, I just kind of wanted to talk about where we are in the market. There's a lot of opinion about, is the bear market over? Are we going to have a soft landing with the economy? And one thing I know, just based on my years of experience, is that opinions about what's going on with the stock market is a definite way to kill wealth. And so what I want to do is give you a way to find some objectivity in the stock market. And again, you see people talking about, is the bull market over? Is it starting up now? Here are places to invest. These types of articles may sway you to make a decision before you're really ready or should make certain decisions about the stock market. So, of course, this being charts and markets, what I like about charts in the stock market is that they give you objectivity. Like, there's no opinion here. This is a record of all that has happened with the stock market since July 27th of last year through the middle of today, July 27th. And so, while at the surface it doesn't look like much, there's a lot you can learn from this chart. So the first thing we want to do is, when we're trying to determine if after a significant decline, if the market is preparing to break out and recover and go higher, what you want to do is find the highest point on a chart. And so for us, it's going to be near the beginning of the year in the stock market. And so what you want to do is take a line and lay it from that high point. And that's what we have here. We've got a high point from the early, I think January 3rd, January 4th of 2022. We take a nice little line and take it all the way down to where we are today. And what you'll see here is there are points along the way where the market, which is shown here in purple, has broken above this line. But you'll also notice that it's broken above it, but it's also fallen back below. Now, each time the market broke above this line that we put in place here, people thought, well, the worst is over. We can start investing and we're back to the races. But of course, hindsight 2020 has shown that that's not the case. Now, there's something you can learn from these past breakouts. What you'll see here is a series of arrows. What these arrows represent is the height to which the first breakout happened in late March, early April. And then the subsequent breakouts, what these arrows show, because they're all the same height, they show you that whenever the market tries to break out again, it's at least has to get as high as that first breakout before you should even take it serious. So these last three breakouts have been very shallow in nature. So there'll be a lot of articles being written about, hey, the worst is over, the market's rising, it's bottomed, come in, the water's warm. You don't have to really listen to that. You can just pull out a chart and do what we did here and say, oh, okay, this rally we're having right now in late July, it seems okay, like they're talking numbers, but it hasn't even gone up as much as the rally we had in the second quarter of the year. And so that makes these failed rallies. We don't know if this rally we're in right now is also going to be a failed rally. But what you have here is objective information. You don't have an opinion writer. You don't have a stock analyst trying to recommend you 5 different stocks to buy. You don't have somebody that has an opinion on the Federal Reserve or has an opinion about politics. This is just cold, hard facts. And that's what you want when you're managing your money. Opinions kill wealth. Facts give you a way to make good decisions about your money and make you a more informed investor. Thank you again for joining me today. Please visit our website to see more videos like this. Thank you.